In today's lesson, we are going to come up with start of the month and end of the month with just a year and a month number. So this is, you'll see this especially if you pull data from a database. Sometimes you just get the year and the month, but then you bring it into Excel and you want to come up with a different formula. So with this first formula, the end of the month, we use the date function, and we get the year and the month, and we put a 1 and a 0 because there's 0 days, and that will give us the end of the month. And then for the start of the month, we use the date function, the year, the month, and then a 1. So since that's the first day of the month, and that gives us 7-1. So you'll see this a lot, especially pulling data from database systems, and you want to manipulate that data once it gets in Excel. So again, you're not going to use this all the time, but it's still very helpful to have in your toolbox.